Welcome to Mr. Mitsubishi YouTube channel that covers a lot of Mitsubishi and a lot of Outlander stuff. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Today we have a very important task. We have two Outlanders right there, and we'll have a look at with and without accessory comparison, direct comparison. It's raining today pretty badly. I have my umbrella here with me. Rain or shine, we have important tasks to do. We gotta compare, we gotta keep producing these Outlander videos. So okay, let's get to it. We'll have a look at the front, the side, and the rear and interior as well, comparison on the most popular accessories you can get for the all new Outlander. So this here, let's start the front look. So basically the only thing we added in the front is the Outlander hood emblem. So you can see both are darker colors, black and blue, so you can see how this Outlander badge makes a difference. So you can have it with or without, your choice. Let's go a little bit up closer here. So this one here is this chrome looks, because it's blue color. It looks really good together with the rest of the chrome theme we have going on. Or of course you could go with just the plain looks. So leave a comment which look, by the way, you like better with and without accessories. And now let's have a look on the side view, how it turned out and what accessories did we added. Okay, and here's the side view comparison. So again, both darker colors, both so they look similar. Two accessories that we added is the side moldings right here, none of them on the black Outlander, and the other one is the rain guard. So it's raining right now, so you can perfectly see why you would need something like this. So this black one has no side moldings, no rain guards. The blue one has side moldings and rain guards. Let's have a closer look a little bit how they look. I do like how they have this chrome line right here and this Outlander lettering in chrome, so it complements really nicely this chrome line that we have going on right here. So let's zoom in a little bit, have a look. I like it a lot. So, and then these window visors, look how big and thick they are. So, but again, they complement this entire sideline of the Outlander. And also a small nice touch is this Outlander emblem here with the chrome lettering. So even if we look at it from a little bit of distance, we can see how this all is matching well together in the side, together with 20-inch polished aluminum wheels. It looks really good. So obviously on the black one, a little bit plainer looks because we don't have those things added. So again, you can leave a comment which side look you look better with accessories and without accessories. And while we're looking at the side view, let's check out one more thing that we did to make a difference here. So we have these door sills right here. So again, Outlander chrome looks. Really, when you open the door, it complements the look right away and goes really well together with the rest of the chrome that we have going on. The other one, the black one, doesn't have it. So let's have a look at the black one real quick. There we go. So this one doesn't have anything. You open the door and it's just the body paint, black throughout. And we can go one more time real quick on this one here. And we have this door sill. Now the cool thing, what I like about this here, as you approach the vehicle, it kind of complements what we have inside. So you can see already, you have the side moldings here, you have the window visors, and you open the door, you have this door sill right here. Okay, now let's have a look at back comparison before I get totally wet here in this rain we have going on. And here's the accessory we added on the back. It's this bumper plate cover protector. So the black one doesn't have anything, and the blue one has this chrome looking bumper protector. So this one here, again, perfectly matches with already existing chrome elements on the 3 diamonds and Outlander and around the Super all-wheel control. So this one complements the vehicle really nicely. And again, this is how it looks. Nothing on here, and you have this chrome bumper protector right there. So let's open the trunk just to see how it looks. Okay, right here. So if you do put like some stuff in there, it'll actually be quite nice to have it there for extra protection, right? So that way you don't scrape the bumper. So it has a visual and practical reason for being there. So there we go. We just had a look at the Outlander with and without accessories, and we covered the front hood emblem, inside door sills, side moldings, vent visors, and the bumper plate or the bumper protector. So hope you liked the video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and see you next time.